Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can use WIX Booking. We have a lot to cover in this tutorial, so make sure to watch it to the end. And now let's get started. First of all, I will head to my account from here. And this is how your WIX website will look like. So basically, to start editing, you need to go to Site and App and choose Website. And then you can choose one of these templates, or you can just head to Site Generator, which uses AI to create your own site. Now you need to insert some fundamental information like the name of your site. I will name it YouTube Tutorials, and I will add a small logo. I'm going to search on it on my device, and once I find the suitable one, I will upload it. That's one. And now I will go next. Then I will choose one of these templates. I can use this one. It's nice. Now press on next. Now it's generating your own website, so we will just give it a couple of seconds and come back to you. Now it will ask you about the homepage design you want, so I will choose something simple like this, or like maybe this one is good enough. And I will press on next. Then it will ask you if you want to add more pages. So here I will add services because this is the one we will use to book our services. So I will just press on next. And let's give it a couple of seconds. Now your website is ready, so we will go to Editor. This is how your website will look like. So I will not spend time editing on it because this is not the purpose of this tutorial. However, we will use this tutorial to just show you how you can book your own services or how you can provide these services to be booked. So there are two major ways that you can do this. The first one is to go and add a new section here. Then you can go and search for apps here. Then let's go to the search bar and type bookings. Then search. And here I will choose WIX Bookings. And I'm going to press on open. Then it will be added to my website automatically. Just like that. Here it is. So basically, this is how you can add a booking page or a booking section to your own website. There is another choice that you can use to add your own services. This is by also creating a new section. Let's just click out of this section. Then let's add another section. Then you can go to bookings here, click on it. Then you can choose the template you want or how your bookings will look like. And when you are satisfied, you can just go and drag and drop it here. And now you have added your own booking services in two ways. Here is the first one, and here is the second one. Now you want to adjust the type of services that you provide so that it will be automatically filled in these two sections. This is done by going to whichever section you want. So for example, if you want to use this template, you can go to it here, click on it, then you can choose Manage Services. And now it will transfer you to another page in which you can customize your own services that you offer. And here we are. So basically here there are multiple services that are preset by WIX. So you can choose from them like appointment services, class services, or course services. However, if you are interested in making up your own service from scratch, you can go to whichever type of these three types and you can start from scratch here by clicking on Start from Scratch. it will transfer you to another page in which you can customize all the details that you want in your services page. So now you need first to decide the service type. We already decided it since we chose start from scratch from class. And now you need to insert some details like the name. I will say YouTube tutorials. And I will not add tagline. I can add an image which represents the topic I'm gonna use to my YouTube tutorial, my YouTube page. So I can use a drag and drop from my computer, or I can just choose one of these services. I can upload it from the internet, or I can just upload it from my own computer. So let's just pick an image from our device. And now it's uploading. I will just give it a couple of seconds. And done. Now I'm gonna use this by pressing on add to page. Then it will be added as the image of my own service. So this is basically an image which represents the type of sessions that I'm gonna give on my YouTube tutorials. Here you can also add a description. You can choose maximum participants, so we may make it 100 participants per session. You can also choose how clients can pay you. So it can be per session or with a plan, or per session or with a plan, both of them. I can use this first option, and I will place a fixed price of $5. I think this is euros, 5 euros per session. I can also choose the payment preference, whether I want it online or in person, so I can keep it online. I can also decide the location. If it's gonna be offline service, I can add schedule. I can add a cover image which will make it more attractive, and I can also add booking preferences or set a policy or whatever. Now, once you are done editing all this information, you can press on save. And it's done. So basically, by exiting this page, I'm just going to exit this, and I'm going to exit this page here and go back to my own website. So here it is, the new service that I provide. It has changed from the old template to this new one. So the more services you will add, the more it will be presented in your website here. So basically, if you added other services, it will be presented here, and it will also appear in there. So that's how you can add your own service page to your own website, and how you can customize it to represent the services that you actually provide. So once you are done, you can preview from here so that you will see how your website will look like. And once you are done previewing, you can publish your own website from here. And congratulations, your site is published and live online. And this is how easy you can use WIX Booking. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.